So we have this fantastic condition box here, March 1945 dated, and it's filled with paints that we used in Bastogne and places like that, with the green and other colours inside, hopefully. So we're going to get this thing opened up and see what it looks like after all these years. Hopefully it's not so bad. These should be later today on the website, ready to go, but that's assuming I can get through. So we're now through the tape, which took slightly longer than expected. And as we open up the inside, it really just has not been touched. It's been glued down as well. I mean, what on earth is that? It's got some sort of... Oh, it's instructions. Look at that. Fantastic. There's another set inside here. I can smell it already. It's very distinctive. Serious sets of instructions in the top on how to apply. And then a cardboard sheet, followed by a box full of them. Fantastic. They are completely untouched. Slightly greasy on the ends. Quite sticky actually to the touch. Fantastic. As I say, these will all be on the Militario shop soon, ready for you to pick up.